how to get proper concentration while praying. Whenever I start to read Surah Al-Fatiha and other surahs, something else is going on my mind. I cannot concentrate. Yani, brothers and sisters, one of the great scholars of Islam, one of the great scholars of Islam, Ibn Taymiyyah rahimahullah, mentioned something very powerful. And that is, when you are planning to pray the Salah, it's like when you want to, it's the concept, sorry, when you are going to pray the Salah, you have to understand that you're going to be standing in front of Allah. You're standing in front of Allah. And وَلِلَّهِ الْمَثَلُ الْأَعْلَى. Allah has a great example, and there's nothing like Allah tabarak wa ta'ala. But imagine, Allah is greater, without doubt. But I'm just going to give you a small example, If today you were going to visit a leader, and he told you to come to his palace, and you said, I went there and I wasn't concentrating. I was thinking about something else. And I don't even know when I left the palace. What would the people say about you? What would you feel like when you come out? And you're like, oh no, I was there all that time and I didn't know. I hope that answers the question that a lot of people keep asking about the issue of Khushoo. You are going to stand in front of Allah, the King of all kings. And here you are saying, I can't concentrate. Just think about this issue. Okay? And a lot of the times is because of lack of knowledge. The knowledge is very, very little. And a lot of the times it's due to weak iman. Without a shadow of a doubt, it's got to do with weak iman. Because Allah said in the ayah, قَدْ أَفْلَحَ الْمُؤْمِنُونَ. Success is for the believers. Mu'minun, underline that word. قَدْ أَفْلَحَ الْمُؤْمِنُونَ الَّذِينَ هُمْ فِي صَلَاتِهِمْ خَاشِعُونَ. The ones who have khushu' in their salah. Allah mentioned the characteristics of iman, and then He mentioned khushu'. Khushu' is high when your iman is high. And when your iman is low, your khushu' is low. So whatever increases your iman, increases your khushu'.